Hello, Sundari. So the first day that we got to Andaman, we landed at Port Blair and we ended up going to cellular jail. For someone like me who's extremely sensitive towards historical spaces and stories, this was a very heavy day. When you see the amount of torture and freedom fighters went through, especially at the hands of the British, when you see the way that they were kept in these jails, it doesn't make you feel nice. And this whole day, I just felt extremely heavy. When you see these faces and then you read these names, you stop taking your freedom for granted. And I really like this place, but I wish that I had done this somewhere in the middle of the trip. Deb was really hungry and he loves jalmuri and he doesn't get it in Delhi. So we ended up buying that for him and he was a happy boy. Then we headed to Corbin's Cove, and I am obsessed with the sea, okay? And when I started seeing that sea and I started seeing that blue water, I was losing my mind. I was super excited. And then we got to Corbin's Cove. It is beautiful. All of the beaches in Andaman are very, very clean. But look at this group of cute ladies. They were clicking each other's selfies. It was just adorable. You want a part two? Let me know.